Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss few questions about photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, radiant energy is converted into. Now first understand what is radiant energy. The energy present in sunlight, that is called radiant energy. So the conversion of solar energy into chemical energy is known as photosynthesis. Our next question is, in regard to photosynthesis, dash is source of oxygen. In regard to photosynthesis, water is the source of oxygen. Now, this question is very important and very confusing. The reason is we have two raw material. One is carbon dioxide and one is water. So out of that carbon dioxide and water, to choose the right one is really a difficult task for us, because carbon dioxide also contain oxygen and water also contain oxygen. Glucose is, anyway there is no choice for this answer, because glucose is the product, not the raw material. Now listen, in during photolysis of water in presence of light split into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, or in some book it is written hydrogen ion and oxygen, because these hydroxide ion lose electron and form molecules of water plus oxygen. If we balance it, 4 molecule of hydroxide ion lose 4 electrons from 2 molecule of water plus oxygen. So from this equation it's very clear the oxygen molecule is released from the water only, not at all from the carbon dioxide. So our right answer is water, not the carbon dioxide. And next question is, the photolysis of water in carbon dioxide fixation takes place in the. Now this question was wrong. Actually the options were not proper. The photolysis of water that has done in Grena, while the carbon dioxide fixation takes place in stroma. So the right answer for this question is Grena and stroma. So you will get weightage for this question, all of you. The photolysis of water, it is a light reaction. It occurs in Grena. You may write thylakoid also. And the carbon dioxide fixation, it's a dark reaction. It occurs in stroma region or in a matrix region. Okay. So right answer is Grena and stroma. Our next question is, chlorophyll is present in. The right location of chlorophyll is the membrane of thylakoid. देखिए, मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट तो ये हुआ, ये क्लोरोप्लास्ट की मेम्ब्रेन हुई, इनके बीच में तो नहीं होता, इसको हटा दीजिए. और अनदर वन इज, दिस इज द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज अ डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर. Now thylakoid is also a double membrane structure, and this is the grena. Grena is a complete pile. So first option, that membrane of chloroplast, this is wrong. Membrane of thylakoid यदि हम देखें, so here we have this region. This region consists of chlorophyll. So membrane of thylakoid is a correct answer. Membrane of grena is a complete pile of thylakoid. तो इसका तो कोई अलग से membrane है नहीं. So this one is also a wrong. Membrane of stroma का कोई membrane नहीं होता. Stroma is a liquid part present inside the chloroplast or the matrix of the chloroplast basically. So this one is also wrong. Our next question is, dash is an important mineral constituent of chlorophyll. The correct answer is magnesium. Although magnesium contains some amount of iron also, but the main constituent or the main mineral or the main metal present in chlorophyll is magnesium. Which of the following, what is the function of KOH while performing the experiment of photosynthesis? To prove particular raw material is required for photosynthesis. See, there is no experiment to prove that water is required for photosynthesis. There is no experiment to prove that glucose is required for photosynthesis, because glucose is the product of photosynthesis. The third option, carbon dioxide, is the right choice. When we are proving that carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis, what we generally do, this is a plant in which this is the leaf. Okay. Now what we do, we covered half of the leaf in a bottle, and in this bottle we use KOH. Now what KOH do? KOH absorb all carbon dioxide from the surrounding. So this part of the leaf is not getting any carbon dioxide. So when we do experiment and when we go for a starch test, we found that the part which was inside this bottle, जो KOH के अंदर डूबा हुआ था, this part turns to yellowish brown or shows the absence of starch, while rest of the part, this region turns to blue black, which shows on exposure of iodine solution, which shows that starch is present. From this experiment, we conclude that carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. Which of the following does not promote photosynthesis? Leaf being thin and flat offer a large surface area for the process to occur. बिल्कुल सही है, जितना पतली लीफ होगी उतना डिफ्यूजन आसान होगा. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Internally, the loose arrangement of mesophyll tissue allow rapid diffusion of gases. This is also true because loose connective tissue helps in storage of certain molecules of air and all. Low concentration of chloroplast in the mesophyll, not at all. यदि mesophyll के अंदर chloroplast का concentration कम होगा, then how we can have photosynthesis? It does not favor photosynthesis. Leaves have minute pore called stomata. Yes, if leaves have minute pores called stomata, then exchange of gases could be easier. So our correct answer is as per the question, which of the following does not promote photosynthesis? इन तीन चारों में से जो फैक्टर फोटोसिंथेसिस को प्रमोट नहीं करता है, दैट इज लो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट इन द मेसोफिल. ड्यूरिंग फोटोलाइसिस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स स्प्लिट इनटू हाइड्रोजन, आयन एंड ऑक्सीजन. ये भी ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन नहीं होता क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन गैस नहीं निकलता, हाइड्रोजन का आयन लिखता है. सो यू हैव टू मेंशन आइदर हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस और हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड हाइड्रोक्साइड ion, as I have already discussed how water is split in presence of sunlight. And one more thing, if you will not mention in presence of sunlight, then again you will not marked at all. So what is photolysis? In presence of light, water splits into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Now these hydroxide ion lose electrons and form two molecule of water plus oxygen. So यहाँ पर एक चीज और कंक्लूड होती है that oxygen is released from water molecule. So our correct answer is first two options are correct. No, first and third options are correct. Yes, because हाइड्रोजन आयन एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस भी लिख सकते हैं एंड हाइड्रोजन आयन हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन भी लिख सकते हैं. Our next question is, what is full form of NADP? This question is very important for your examination. Nicotinamide, I am not talking about midterm or final. This question is important for every reason. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. The correct answer is C. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. See, in first, what is the option? Nicotinamide adenine diphosphate, गलत है. निकोटिनामाइड एडिनोसिन डाइफॉस्फेट, नो, एडिनोसिन नहीं होता है. निकोटिनामाइड एडिनाइन डाइऑक्सीफॉस्फेट, ये भी गलत है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज निकोटिनामाइड एडिनाइन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड फॉस्फेट. फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन डज नॉट फेवर. फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन क्या होता है? फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन होता है कन्वर्जन ऑफ एडीपी मॉलिक्यूल into ATP in presence of sunlight. So our first option, conversion of low energy molecule to high energy molecule in presence of light, is correct answer. सेकेंड, कन्वर्जन ऑफ हाई एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल टू लो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल, ये गलत है. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. So this statement is basically correct. This statement is wrong. Conversion of ADP molecule to ATP in presence of light, ये बात भी, ये फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड एक ही बात है. लो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल टू हाई एनर्जी लिख लीजिए, ADP से ATP लिख लीजिए. एडिशन ऑफ वन फॉस्फेट ग्रुप इनटू ADP टू प्रोड्यूस हाई एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल, ये बात भी ठीक है, इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट. फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन क्या होता है? द कन्वर्जन ऑफ ADP on addition of phosphate in presence of light to ATP. This is called photophosphorylation. So कायदे से फर्स्ट, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट. बट हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन डज नॉट फेवर. इन चार में से कौन सा ऑप्शन ऐसा है जो फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन को फेवर नहीं करता? तो सेकेंड पॉइंट, कन्वर्जन ऑफ हाई एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल टू लो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल, ये गलत है, ये गलत है, इसलिए आंसर इस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से सेकंड आएगा. सो आर करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, बी. कन्वर्जन ऑफ हाई एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल टू लो एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ लाइट इज नॉट फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन. मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. NADP combine to form NADPH. NADP combine with hydrogen ions, not hydrogen gas at all. Our next question is, during destarching, starch is removed from. Starch is always removed from leaves, not from the plant, not from the stem, not from the root. Because when we do experiment of destarching, foods पहले तो सबसे पहले कहाँ स्टोर होता है? लीफ में स्टोर होता है, और वहीं से, क्योंकि हमने लीफ को ही टेस्ट करना है. To remove the starch from the stem or from the root, it is a difficult task. So the correct answer is leaves. During the dark phase, a compound produced at the end of light reaction react with carbon dioxide to form. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से हमने क्या बनाना है? ग्लूकोज बनाना है. सो ड्यूरिंग द डार्क रिएक्शन अ कंपाउंड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड एट द एंड ऑफ लाइट रिएक्शन रिएक्ट विथ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देखिए लाइट रिएक्शन में पहले आप देखिए क्या क्या बनता है. क्या लाइट रिएक्शन में वाटर बनता है? नहीं बनता है, सॉरी, लाइट रिएक्शन में कुछ अमाउंट में वाटर बनता है. क्या लाइट रिएक्शन में ऑक्सीजन बनता है? यस बनता है, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ में कंबाइन नहीं करता है. क्या लाइट रिएक्शन में ग्लूकोज बनता है? नो. क्या लाइट रिएक्शन में स्टार्च बनता है? नो. ड्यूरिंग डार्क फेज जो बनता है एट द एंड ऑफ प्रोड्यूस्ड जो होता है दैट इज ग्लूकोज. डार्क रिएक्शन के एंड पर जो प्रोड्यूस होता है दैट इज ग्लूकोज. थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन और प्रॉपरली रिफ्रेम होना चाहिए था. During the dark phase, a compound produced at the end of the reaction with carbon dioxide to form is glucose. It should be the correct question. So, I will update this question. Next one is starch stored in plants if formed by polymerization of. Starch किसके polymerization से बनता है? Starch is formed by the polymerization of glucose. During experiment of photosynthesis, leaf is boiled in methylated spirit. Leaf को हम methylated spirit में boil करते हैं to remove chlorophyll. Starch के removal को हम कहते हैं destarching करना. To kill enzymes, we have to boil in a normal water. To boil in a methylated spirit, we do for removal of chlorophyll. In photosynthesis, dash is reduced and dash is oxidized. In photosynthesis, see पहले समझिए reduced क्या होता है. reduced का मतलब addition of hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन का एडिशन किस में होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में. then only glucose is formed. dash is oxidized. water is oxidized. water electrons को lose करता है. loss of electron is water oxidation. water से oxygen remove होती है. removal of oxygen is oxidation. After the starch test, experimental leaf turns to yellowish brown color. Experimental leaf turn to blue black color. Leaf without chlorophyll turns to reddish color. No change in leaf. Correct answer is experimental leaf turn to blue black color because of the iodine solution exposure due to presence of starch. During experiment of photosynthesis, croton variegated leaf is selected. विच फैक्टर वी आर स्टडिंग? पहले समझिए व्हाट इज वेरीगेटेड लीव्स. वेरीगेटेड लीफ इज द लीफ इन विच क्लोरोफिल इज प्रेजेंट इन, जिसके अंदर क्लोरोफिल पैचेस में प्रेजेंट है. सो इन दिस लीफ some of the part contain chlorophyll and some of the part is black, white in color or colorless. So the reason where the chlorophyll is not present, यहाँ photosynthesis नहीं होगा. That will not turn to blue black. So during experiment of photosynthesis, croton or variegated leaf is selected to check that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को चेक करने के लिए हम KOH यूज़ करते हैं. सनलाइट को चेक करने के लिए हम लीफ को ब्लैक पेपर से कवर करते हैं. ऑक्सीजन को चेक करने के लिए वी जनरली यूज हाइड्रेला प्लांट. एंड क्लोरोफिल वी प्रेफर variegated leaf. During experiment of photosynthesis, half of the leaf is covered with black paper to demonstrate sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Our last question, identify A, B, C, D, E. A is cuticle, B is epidermis, C is chloroplast, D is guard cell, E is spongy tissue, and F is palisade tissue. What is palisade tissue? Palisade tissue is a tissue which is just present below the epidermis. Look in this diagram. These tissues are known as palisade tissues. और ये जो डॉट्स इनके अंदर हमने दिखा रखे हैं, दिस शोज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Similarly, these tissues are called spongy tissue, and E and F together known as mesophyll tissue. Meso means middle and fill means barna. So mesophyll tissue consists of two parts. One is palisade tissue. This one is a palisade tissue, and one is spongy tissue. This one is the spongy tissue. Okay. So the correct answer is A is cuticle, B is epidermis, C is chloroplast, D is guard cell, E is spongy tissue, and F is palisade tissue. So cuticle, epidermis, chloroplast, guard cell, spongy tissue, and palisade tissue. I think the correct answer is first one. So by this I have discussed all questions here. And still if you people have any doubt, please text me. There are basically, if I see there is mistake in two questions, so I should give ideally two marks to everyone. One is question number 13. During the dark phase, a compound produced at the end of light reaction. This is the incomplete question, so I will give weightage for question number 13, and I will give weightage for question number 3. Till then, take care, goodbye, and if you people have doubt, please text me. Thank you.